Hi guys, we are headed to Katakanu this morning. We are all set. All set, baby. Ready. Lenka, Lydia, and Felipe.
There's someone behind you.
Sorry. You say remove my baby first. Yeah. One side. Yeah. One side. I don't understand. You're still young babes.
Wait, so 16 forever.
We go again. Guys, how far are we away? Because we have 5 minutes to start.
5 minutes to start. Are we taking the straight route?
I don't even know. I don't know. Hey, let's go. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on. Hey, get. Whose face is hiding? One sec. Get. See. Can you space? This way, maybe. We are here. Hiya. So sorry. Everyone's here. Come. Wash your hands. Amazing. Thank you.
Really tight person.
Let's have a look at you. Alright. Okay, we're going to do this for you, so it's really quick, okay?
Thank you.
Apologies for dragging you around,
okay.
alright? Right, let's have a look. I want to get you on the water because That's okay, it's your time. Let's hurry up.
Yeah, if you can breathe, it's not tight enough.
Right, can you move that gorgeous hair out the way so I can do this strap? Thank you. 1 and 2. Right, you are having a laugh. You're gonna... Let me get these guys on.
Is that for one group? Oh, 6 me. Right. Is that all I want to film? Oh. Backward. Oh, bro. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna say cheese. Jenna, took me inside that bed. All this energy, what are you? I'm using too much energy. I'm not inside the bed. Where are we turning now before we guys enter? Oh, yeah, guys. Should I paddle too? Yeah. You come to enter video now. You have been complaining since. Now, reason they help us down there now. This dog should move fast. Anywhere where we see ourselves.
You're not paddling. We are not paddling.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Hey.
Water, no get enemy.
One time. Hey, one time. No. Okay. See, they have entered grass. You should video them, I bet.
You are learning.
You're learning the hard way, guys.
We're filming you, don't worry.
Don't play.
Don't play.
You'll be too scared to even video yourself.
See people in front of us.
Yeah, Jenny.
Paddle forward.
Yeah, Jenny.
Forward.
Yeah, I think I will go backward.
Yeah, it's cool.
See you later. See you later.
Yes.
Hey.
Let's sing one.
Bodies in motion, everything feels right. The music's on, heart is so light. Night magic, let's take you on a ride. No matter the troubles, leave 'em at the door. Midnight magic, feel the freedom, feel the flow. No need for worries. Let the music flow. No matter the troubles, leave 'em at the door. Midnight magic, feel the freedom, feel the flow. No need for worries, just let yourself go. Light up the night, hands in the air, feel the energy, live the night. Bodies in motion, everything feels right. Music's pumping, music's pumping. Party's so alive, midnight magic, let it take you on a ride. No matter the troubles, leave 'em at the door. Midnight magic, feel the freedom, feel the flow. No need for worries, just let yourself go. Dance in the shadows, let the music flow. Let the music flow. Dance in the shadows, let the music flow.
Pretty, juicy. Her own education. So lovely. Yeah. Came out so nice. Breathtaking. So
On
nice.
the dance floor, we're moving to the beat. Midnight magic, feel the rhythm in your feet. Swaying and grooving, no need to think twice. Come on, everybody, let's light up. Hands in the air, bodies in motion.
Guys, thank you so much. I think I've done my shit. What's that? No, we're not changing them. Everybody, try your clothes. It's 5 minutes away from here. The rest of our for 5 minutes drive, you come back and wait. Stop. Where's the chief baker? Chief baker! I salute ma'am.
Maintain my chief
Chief baker!
and composure.
Chief baker!
Wait, to make it sweet first.
Now you. After you. My dear, fell down. Huh?
Hello.
Hi,
Making some puff. If you know sweet, I don't follow. Sweet.
Just sit against me.
Sweet, I follow.
Chief baker!
But we saw the ladder rise,
Eh? No wahala. The purpose needs to rest now. Chief baker!
What up?
Chief baker, man.
On time,
Well done, man. Salute you, man. They would have mixed everything ahead of time. Thank you, guys. This is looking yummy. Our lunch.
Yes. You can put it next to it. No,
No, I would have said the oven, but I love you all. I love you all. Thank you so much. I trust you. I trust you now. Becca. Thank you. Thank you so much, my love. Well done. Quick cookery. Quick cookery. Allah, quick cookery. Well done, guys.
A type person like this.
Nah, so she wants to.
Really? Nah, so bong.
Yeah, if you can breathe, it's not taken off.
Can you move that gorgeous hair?
Oh, you're getting ready. Six people. Right.
Let's do this, guys.